What's up, guys? I am back in Jabalpur IIIT, and as I have seen all your comments, most of the people were like, please make a video tour of whole college and whatnot. So yeah, I'm here for 2 days and I'm thinking to really make a nice video on college campus. The first things first, this is hall number 1 where half girls and half boys live. Half boys means only postgraduate or design people live on one side. Then these are the academic buildings, and these are quarters for PhD people, and teachers live behind this. Those are the boys hostels, hall 3 and hall 4. There's one mess here. Okay, let's go towards academic block. It's like a circle outside. There's a road outside, and on the inside there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buildings. Let's have a closer look there. This pathway towards the academic building is so beautiful. It's all green, but in summers you won't see even a single tree here, except the big ones. But yeah, the campus is beautiful. Many times they spot leopards also here, so yeah, it gets dangerous sometimes. But he haven't heard like that leopard haven't attacked anyone till now, so not to worry about. He is also scared of humans, and we are scared of him. This is the old tree here on the path to academic building. I usually tap him and say hi. How are you? Okay. So he's like my buddy there. So these are the buildings. This is the entrance, if you guys can see. And I kept hand on my mic, guys. So yeah, it's like that. You can see offices right there, and there's one small canteen. In the academic building you get classes inside. There's a design studio, and yeah, it's beautiful. A lot of plantation has been done. It was not here before, but they have put so many trees now. So yeah, we are inside. So this is the back side of it. You won't see much, like few classes are that side, lecture halls. In between there's auditorium. This is design studio, and this way are also classes. These lights are cool. They turn on whenever someone goes near them. See? They turned on. So this is the core complex where offices are currently located, and there are like computer centers, PC. So 1 or 2 computer centers are there, and there's a library behind this, and all the offices are that side. All staff's office. Yeah. Parking area. It's really beautiful in winter season. There are so many trees and the colorful campus. Wow, I feel like I shouldn't graduate at all. bad joke. Also, next to CC is a bank, Allahabad Bank here. Okay. So this is the CC or core complex, and this is Allahabad Bank. And after that, there are few labs like mechanical lab, CAD CAM lab. There's a physics and electronics lab. Yeah. And as we move forward, there's this building which you will see at the entrance. It's vacant right now, like nothing is happening, but they are saying to transfer all the offices from CC to here. So maybe in future you might be seeing all the academic work done here. Okay. See how cool it's looking. Everything is green. Yeah, this is small nursery maintained by the committee here, and they take out the plants from here and then plant it everywhere in the campus. So most of the time in the year they will have plants here growing, and whole campus will be beautiful throughout the year, most of the time. So as I traveled yesterday from Ujjain to Jabalpur, I didn't have dinner last night, so I'm pretty much hungry. I'll go to canteen right now, have some breakfast, and then after some work we'll continue the tour, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah, there's a water tanki here, and some guy is driving his bike like hell. Come on, dude. Okay, so this slope goes up to the hostels, and to my left is the academic building. So this is called a slope area, whatever, Anikitanki, CC and Hexagon Canteen. उसके पीछे academic building. Almost half of the IIIT is over here. Almost half. So yeah. I didn't shoot in the mess because it was all noisy out there. So yeah, I'm back in the hostel. This is hall 1, and these are like boys hostel, all yours. And yeah, this is it. You might have seen this is my room, used to be my room. And if you see this chubby, she is Ram Pyari. Ram Pyari, what's up? Sleepy? Soja. Good night. She's always chilling here. If you see her, give her a biscuit and say hi. She wags her tail. Ram Pyari. See? Okay, so I'm out for a run. Sun is setting. This is hall 1. And yeah, come, I'll show you the cafeteria here. Not much options are here, but one Nescafe and one Hyderabadi food court is there, so you can eat non-veg. It's closed right now, but yeah, it's good. So had a 0.5 kilometers run. This is academic building again, and this is the new building which they are renovating. It's going to be a library, big ass library, and they are saying that it's going to start by this year, which is awesome. We didn't get this facility, but you guys going to get it. Yeah. And this is the building. There are trees here, so you can't see, and opposite to it is a is a primary healthcare center. Whew. Here doctor is available. There's one ambulance also, which is kind of nice. You can go to city anytime. Done with 1 kilometer, and look at this. It's looking good. My phone is a bit fucked up, but yeah, it looks beautiful. So this is like, so I forgot to tell you about the open air theater here, which is still not painted, but most of the activities and stage things are happening here. So yeah, they might be constructing these things, but I don't know, it's been like that since very long. Back on my run, done with 2k. I'll run 2 more. Yeah, done with 4, and I'm in PHC. So I have some water. This is like my regular stop here. These people know me, you can ask them, do you know that guy who runs? And they probably will tell, yeah. The people here are so good, really awesome people. Doctors are friendly, and this building is quite clean. There are spaces to like beds if you, in case if you feel sick, they may give you a saline bottle. There's a dental clinic also, but I won't recommend having big operations or big things here. They will just check you up and send you in the city hospital. Yeah. Okay. I sweated like hell. This whole t-shirt is wet today. It's so humid here in Jabalpur. Never thought that it's going to be like this. It's been like 2 years here, and yeah, it was fun. Also, I would like to add that those who are going to seek admission in Jabalpur, IIIT, and those of you will comment or they comment, I have commented before. They ask me like, how's the college? Is it worth it? Are the placements good? Do you know, is life worth living? No, right? You don't know, but you know that it's worth living. So is the college. You have to be yourself, give your best, and rest will follow. So there's nothing like good college or bad college. It's just statistics. But maybe you are in bad college, but you are a bright student, so you are going to do bright things ahead, right? And yeah, all the best to you guys.